Aloha, my name is Kupihea, currently a student at Leeward Community College, trying to move on to UH Manoa to get my bachelor's degree in Hawaiian studies, and thinking about studying law at the same time, but we'll see how it goes. Currently we live in Kunea, but raised in town a little bit until about high school age. Hopefully one day I'll be a teacher. I'm just trying to do something for the community, something that will help out everybody and not only myself. So my drawing is called Holomoana o Kūpuna, which is the journey of our ancestors. It is inspired by a few things, one of them being the kumalipo, and of course the other being our ancestors. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a lot of things we have today, especially knowledge that has been passed down for hundreds of years. It was originally for Hawaiian language class, just a little project for our class that we did. And if you look at the drawing, it entails a lot of things that were born in the first 8 va, or time spans, of the kumalipo, which ends in the light, which is why at the top you have the sun. It's all on top of kalo leaf, which is very significant in Hawaiian culture. It is said that man came from kalo, or are closely related to the kalo. And yeah, that's pretty much it.